Okay, so here we are trying to find out if we're looking at a particle in a rectangular well of depth V0 and length L, what happens to the number of bound states as the potential increases at a fixed L? So we know that the number of bound states is greater than or equal to V over pi. So number of bound states is greater than or equal to, yeah, this is into pi. Yeah, so this is the one. So a number of bound states is directly proportional to this. So if your potential is increasing, that means the number of bound states also increases. Now for part B of the question, you're fixing V0, but you're increasing the width of the box. Again, based on this, we know that n is proportional to the width of the box. So for a fixed V0, as L increases, the number of bound states also increases.